Hi there and welcome to today's tutorial, and it's going to be a pretty easy one. So to start off we'll just need to make a series of small ball shapes, and to each of the balls or little baubles I'm just going to add a little bit of gold clay, and within the clay I'm just going to put a little bit of curved craft wire so that we'll be able to add some thread through once they're baked. So the same process again on these red ones. And again some craft wire. And you can decorate your little baubles as you see fit. I'm just adding some little dots here just because it's really easy. And I'll just do the same with this yellow one here. And now you're ready to bake your decorations, so you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clay's baking instructions. And once they're baked and cooled, I really recommend that you add some gloss to these just to give a little bit of Christmas sheen. And once they're threaded, you can add them to your tree. Thanks for watching, I'll see you tomorrow.